Gain knowledge through reading. The Olympic Games. The Olympic Games are a multi-sport competition held every 4 years. The Olympic Games started in ancient Greece in 776 BC. They were held in Athens. In the ancient Olympic Games, there were only a few sporting events and only men could take part in them. The first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens in 1896. There are a lot of sporting events in the modern Olympic Games and both men and women can take part in them. Activity. Are those right or wrong? The Olympic Games first began in Greece. In ancient Greece, both men and women could take part in the Olympics. Athens is a city in Greece. Have you found the answers? If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.